On Tuesday, the East Turkistan National Awakening Movement, or ETNAM, held a press conference to release the coordinates of suspected concentration camps, forced labor camps, and prisons. The Uyghurs, the ethnically Turkic people who inhabit the area, are calling for the restoration of independence, as well as the international oversight of potential atrocities happening in the region. East Turkestan, which is called the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region by China, has been controlled by China since 1949. My name is Emily Molly, and you're watching Subverse News. According to ETNAM, the coordinates include 182 suspected concentration camps, 209 suspected prisons, and 74 suspected labor camps run by the Xinjiang Production and Construction Corps, known as the Bingtan. According to Randall Shriver, Assistant Secretary of Defense for the Asia Pacific, the number of people being held in concentration camps are anywhere between 1 and 3 million Uyghurs.
The detention camps, given what we understand to be the magnitude of the detention, at least 1 million, but likely closer to 3 million citizens out of a population of about 10 million, so a very significant portion of the population.
ETNAM suggests those numbers could be slightly higher, with labor and prison camps being taken into consideration. We spoke with Salih Hudayr, founder and president of ETNAM and the recently elected Prime Minister of the East Turkestan government in exile.
Since 2017, they've rounded up most of my family members, especially all the males, into these camps, prisons, and part of it is because of my own activism. Number one, I'm advocating for political independence of this region, so